Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Physics Mathematics Hub. Today we are solving an interesting problem about echoes and the speed of sound from 10th class physics book unit 11. Here is the statement of the given question. Ishfaq stands between two high-rise buildings A and B, such that he is at 33-meter distance from building A. When he blows the whistle, he hears the first echo after 0.2 seconds and second echo after 0.8 seconds. Calculate the speed of sound and distance of building B from him. Let's start by organizing the given information. We are given that distance of building A from Ishfaq is denoted by SA and is equal to 33 meters. Time for echo from building A is equal to 0.2 seconds and denoted by TA. Similarly, time for echo from building B is denoted by TB and is equal to 0.8 seconds. We need to find speed of sound denoted by small v and distance of building B from Ishfaq, which is denoted by SB. To start solving the problem, first understand that an echo is heard when sound reflects back to the source. The total distance covered by the sound for the first echo is twice the distance to building A, and for the second echo it is twice the distance to building B. So, to calculate the speed of sound in air, we use V is equal to 2SA divided by TA. So putting the values, we get V is equal to 2 multiplied by 33 meters divided by 0.2 seconds. Further, we get V is equal to 2 multiplied by 330 meters divided by 2. 2 cancel with 2, we get speed of sound in air equal to 330 meters per second. Thus, the speed of sound in air is 330 meters per second. Since the sound travels to building B and back, the one-way distance to building B is given by SB is equal to VTB divided by 2. Putting values, the distance of building B from Ishfaq is equal to 330 meters per second multiplied by 0.8 second divided by 2. After simplification, we get SB is equal to 330 meters per second multiplied by 0.4 seconds. Multiplying 330 with 0.4, we get 132 meters. Thus the distance of building B from Ishfaq is 132 meters. Conclusion. Using the echo timings of 0.2 seconds and 0.8 seconds, we determined that the speed of sound in air is 330 meters per second and the distance of building B from Ishfaq is 132 meters. This problem demonstrates the practical application of sound wave physics. In this video, we learned how to calculate the speed of sound and the distance of an object using echo timings. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Physics Mathematics Hub. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.